Yo, what is going on, guys? Your boy the Mexican Sneakerhead, and we are back with another video. So today we're gonna be going for the Supreme Metal Folding Chair. It's gonna be a crazy release right now. A lot of people want it. I'm gonna be going for the red colorway right now. So it's right there at the start. Check on that. Damn, I kind of choked it right there. I don't know why Supreme haven't saved my info. Clicked on it, and it sold out. Shit, man, I thought I had that shit copied on my fucking shit, and I choked it badly right there. But for some reason, when I go to Supreme checkout, before it used to save my information, but now it don't no more. So that's kind of the issue right there. The last week release, I put to save my info after I checked out, and it still didn't save. So I don't know what's going on with that. So if it wasn't for that, I probably would. Guys, we wasn't able to cook this week's drop. We wasn't able to get the Supreme folding chair, but I mean it's not a crazy release, you know what I mean? It wasn't nothing I was too hype about. So hopefully next week we get a better release. This has been your boy the Mexican Sneakerhead. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm out. Peace.